day one of me becoming your #1 life guide in the Philippines. So, how do I become that? First, it starts within me. So, sabi ko, anong gagawin ko? Paano ko mag-change ng identity? So, I thought of, while watching SB19 now, it's like, where do I put my life force? Saan ako magsiserve? Saan ako magaling? Then I realized, okay, I want to be a life guide in the Philippines. First thing is, I need to transform. And to do that, what's the first step? So today, it's Tuesday and I'm doing a 24 hours fasting, meaning I will not eat for 24 hours. It started yesterday. Ang last meal ko was around 7 or 8 p.m. So that means I can eat after 8 p.m. Why am I doing that? Kasi it's so good for my spirit, for my soul. I'm very spiritual, and when I omit or iwasan yung temptation, which sometimes is food, pag wala akong discipline sa food, hindi naman talaga ako gutom. Gusto ko lang kumain. Bored ako, so I kept on eating. So that's very spiritual for me. And also, kapag nanghihina ka na, you're gonna breathe, you're gonna pay attention to your body. May mga time pa nga, confused ka, or suddenly may sudden burst of energy na lalabas sa'yo. Suddenly ang energetic mo. Tapos biglang magsisink siya kasi gutom ka na. Yung hungry fangs mo, ayan na. Pero because you have that discipline and you pay attention to yourself and watch and observe, ay, kaya ko pala. Oh, if I can do this, if I can win this battle of myself, then I can do anything. Kasi, like for me, I love change and growth. And sometimes kapag na-overwhelm ako, ang dami kong iniisip, nabubuhay siya dito, hindi ko siya ma-execute yung discipline. Wala kasing bisa ang intensity kung wala naman consistency. So di baling everyday sand siya or dust siya, and then eventually magiging bundok. Yun ang sikreto ng mga earth sign eh. Yung mga earth sign na yun, yung resiliency nila, yung enduring nila, just like the earth. Water sign kasi ako, Cancer. And so, pabago-bago, emotions, di ba? But we have gifts. We really have gifts. And one of my journey is to learn from the earth signs, from the fire signs, are powerful, and the light, the air signs. Ooh, exciting.